All right, guys, this is my comparison video. We are comparing the SVHT V15 Cordless Vacuum with most other cordless vacuums in this category and at this price point. So I went ahead, did some product research, and put together 3 points. I think I'm gonna add a fourth, but at least 3 points of why, of like comparing this one to most other vacuums in this category. So first of all, there's an advanced dirt visibility tech. If you look down here, I'm going to power it on. You get that green light. That gives you the ability to actually see stuff on the floor that kind of like sticks out from the LED light as it's, so it like you can see it's kind of like up off the ground. So it highlights it and then you can see when it's picked up. That's really nice. At this kind of price point, you're not going to get anything like that. You can obviously see one of the other points, which I would consider a visibility point. We've barely even used this thing, and it's just doing a really good job of I love seeing that because I think there's something like aesthetically pleasing. There's something where you see that and you feel like it's working. Honestly, even if it wasn't true, I still think there's a value in that. But it is true because it is actually sucking stuff up. So that's very cool. Other point, when you compare this to other ones, it's got a strong, in this category especially, like this, like, what is this, like sub? Can't say the number, but like it's an insane value. Strong runtime and lightweight design. Dude, look at this thing. This thing is like 3 pounds, dude. Super lightweight. You also saw how easy it was for me to clip that on, take that off, go with a different attachment. This thing's incredible. But the runtime. So this thing will run up to 45 minutes straight off of like 2 hours of charging. So very simple and easy to use. On the charging note, all you do is you plug the battery in there, plug that into the wall. So that's very cool. What's my third point? So when you compare this to most other vacuums in this category, high efficiency filtration and anti-tangle design. So I have that it uses an 8-stage sealed HEPA filtration system, and it captures dust down to 0.01 microns, and it's got a V-shaped anti-tangle roller paddle down here. You can see there, it's kind of V-shaped, but it's anti-tangle. So you know from using these, I've used tons of these different like wireless vacuums. You can get junk tangled in there. It's very hard to get it clean. They've really sorted that out here with that. So that's great. What was the other thing I was going to say? There was one other point I wanted to make. Versatility. You can, like, if you think about there's nothing confusing here. You have like a few different attachments. This is for cracks and crevices. You could use this for your car. You could also use it for the corners of your couch or something like that. You can easily take that off, put this on, use it for like your ledges and your walls to get dust off of like where your paintings are and stuff like that. And then you can go straight to this and you can do the regular stuff. The other thing that's cool about it, there's no other buttons. You can just run straight from carpet to hardwood and it's seamless that way. Got 2 speeds. I mean, it's so simple. You got just the on button here and then you got the turbo button there. I mean, dude, this thing's incredible. Only thing better than this cordless vacuum is Jesus.